Welcome guys, Greenbot back again with another reaction video to check out a Lady Mix Christmas special song, isn't it? It's called One I've Been Missing. Someone said that Leanne wrote this for her boyfriend, so let's check it out and see what's going on. Christmas season, best time of the year. To begin. Oh, elves! Whoa! Wow!
Sorry I ain't been around, but you've been on my mind a million times. I'll make it up to you now. We'll wrap the presents and put up the tree together, be together.
Guys, even if you're single, like I am single, I still can enjoy this song. You don't have to really have someone to enjoy this song because I'm already enjoying this song. It's a very good song.
Baby, there's no bet I get. Now that I have you here, that's when I feel.
Yo, I love Christmas, bro. I love Christmas.
Cause I've been gone so long, but I kept holding on. Cause I need to show you just how much I love
This Christmas!
Jesus Christ.
I love Christmas, boy.
Is it the lights in your eyes that never shone so bright? I've waited all year to be near to the one I've been missing. This Christmas, the one I've been missing. Oh, the one I've been missing.
Yo.
Lonely to see. Boy, when you're on the wrong side of the world, always the snow at our feet. We'll sit by the fire and we'll sip the sea together, dream together. Baby, there's no better news. Now that I have you here, that's when I feel it the most. 'Cause I've been gone so long, I can hold it on. 'Cause I need to show you just how much I
Love you this Christmas.
Is it
The lights in your eyes
they never
shine so bright. Been missing this Christmas. Oh, I love Christmas, bro. I know I'm saying it all over, but I love Christmas. Been missing. No. Yo. Yo, man, I try to get my vocals up, you know. I don't know my vocals sound. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know my vocals sound. This week. Alright, guys, so the end of the reaction video too. You're the one I've been missing by Lady Mix. As I'm saying, Christmas is my favorite time of the year because it right after Christmas is my birthday, January the 1st, New Year's Day. Yeah. So I really love the Christmas season. The gift giving, the family time, the food, everything about Christmas season I really love, I really enjoy. And I said, this song, I don't really have to have someone to really enjoy this. Even though, listen to it a while ago, it make you feel like you have one, like, someone in a way. Like, this song compliment having someone, but you don't really have to have someone, legitimately. You can't just listen to it, say, very good song. Very good song. This is the end of the first video. Enough love. Peace.